Reset device. Restart. If a power cycle doesn't fix the issue, try performing a device restart. Press and hold the power lock button. Select Restart. The device will take a moment to restart. Factory reset. A factory reset will erase all information on the device and return it to factory default settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings, and content that is saved to the device. It is recommended that you back up important data before proceeding. The device must also be charged to at least 30% to perform a factory data reset. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. Select the settings icon. Scroll to and select System. Select Reset Options. Select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Select Erase All Data. Select Erase All Data again to confirm. The phone will take a moment to reset. Alternate factory reset. If unable to perform the standard master reset using the previous steps, try the alternate method by first powering the device off. With your device powered off, press and hold the power lock and volume up buttons until the screen lights up. Select recovery mode by pressing the volume up button, then press the volume down button to select. When the No Command screen appears, press and hold the power lock button and volume up buttons for a few seconds and release. Press the volume buttons to scroll to and highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power lock button to select. Press the volume down button to highlight Factory Data Reset. Then press the power lock button to begin the reset process. When the Android recovery screen displays again, ensure that Reboot System Now is highlighted. Then press the power lock button to select.